Ipsady says, interesting. Glad I'm here today because yay aesthetics. Agree, yay aesthetics. I think that's really Midjourney's edge over other image generators. There are many in the market today. There are many tools that let you generate images, that let you generate video. So what is Midjourney doing in this marketplace? How does it compete? If Sadie says, oh my God, definitely, yeah, no one even comes close to Midjourney's beauty potential. That's right. In fact, Midjourney's beauty potential is so in demand that Meta, which is a pretty big player, licensed chunks of Midjourney's aesthetics engine in order to make sure that it could create it for its vibes video product. Meta wanted to make sure that it had some sort of differentiator for itself, for its video tool, and that licensed Midjourney in order to create that aesthetic edge. So that is definitely Midjourney's strength.